Welcome to TechVibe, where we bring you the latest and most exciting tech reviews. Today, we are diving into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra SMS928B in the stunning titanium violet color. This flagship device comes loaded with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, delivering a premium experience for power users. With a sleek, modern design and a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display boasting a crisp Quad HD Plus resolution, the Galaxy S24 Ultra offers a brilliant visual experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, this phone is built to impress with its advanced technology and powerful hardware. When it comes to connectivity and other features, the Galaxy S24 Ultra doesn't hold back. It supports 5G connectivity for ultra-fast downloads and seamless streaming. With Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC, you get the latest and most reliable connection standards. The device is also IP68 rated, making it water and dust resistant, ensuring durability in various environments. Samsung includes the SPen in the Ultra model, enhancing productivity with precise control and note-taking. You also get stereo speakers tuned by AKG, ultra-wideband, UWB, support, and the latest Android 14 with One UI 6.1 for a smooth and intuitive user experience. Talking about the price, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra SMS928B comes in at approximately $1,199 or around 434,999 rupees in some regions. This premium price tag reflects the high-end hardware and cutting-edge technology packed into the device. While it may seem steep, the Galaxy S24 Ultra justifies its cost with advanced features like a 200MP quad camera system, AI enhancements, and top-tier performance. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional needing a powerhouse device, the S24 Ultra offers significant value. It's a luxury smartphone for those who want the best, and Samsung delivers an impressive package. In terms of performance, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by an advanced octa-core processor, providing lightning-fast speeds and efficiency. Paired with 12GB of RAM, multitasking is effortless, and resource-heavy applications run smoothly. The 5000 mAh battery ensures all-day power, and 45W fast charging keeps you going without long waits. Whether you're editing videos, gaming at high settings, or managing multiple tasks, the S24 Ultra handles it effortlessly. Samsung also enhances performance with AI-powered optimizations, making daily operations faster and smarter. This device is built for those who demand the best performance in a smartphone. At TechVibe, we're impressed by the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's not just a phone, it's an all-in-one powerhouse. With its stunning display, impressive camera setup, and AI-driven performance, it stands out in the premium smartphone category. While the large size and premium cost may not suit everyone, those looking for cutting-edge technology will find it here. If you want the best Samsung has to offer in 2025, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a solid investment. Stay tuned to TechVibe for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments if you think this phone is worth the hype.